In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Brother MFC J1360dw printer. First step is to switch on the printer. To replace the ink cartridges, just push this button forward and you will open this door. These are the ink cartridges. Press this from here and then it will come out automatically. You can just slide it out. One by one, just remove all the 4 ink cartridges, and that's the last one. To replace it with the new ink cartridge, place them here and just slide it in. Push it, you will hear a lock sound. That means it is installed properly, and you just have to do it for all 4 ink cartridges. And that's here, and that's the black one in the last. Once you are done, just close it, wait for the printer to recognize it, and then we can start using it. Thanks.